Hey guys, and it's official. The Samsung Galaxy Note 9 is officially coming on August the 9th. The Unpacked 2018 event will take place in New York City. It's been confirmed by Samsung themselves that Samsung is working on an updated version of Always On Display feature, which would debut next year. It's not complete, so they will probably debut it with the Galaxy S10. Now there are some new AR emojis. He didn't specify any new emojis, but to be honest, it's not something very important to me or most of the people. It also says that camera is improved with the performance and optical image stabilization. And it's probably because it's using the ISOCELL Plus technology that they announced at MWC Shanghai. The material for this tech was made in collaboration with the Fujifilm as they posted this teaser on their social media accounts. And like always, the teaser teases the main new feature of the phone. With Galaxy S9 family, it was the cameras. With the S8, it was the Infinity display. And now with the Note 9, we have a S Pen. And it's not your normal S Pen, it's gonna be changed a lot. And we've seen this in the leaks, it's not a new shocking thing. I mean, the Note 9 is 97% the same phone as the Note 8 overall, and that 3% change goes to that fingerprint scanner on the back. It also got the same amount of bezels, almost just a little bit shorter, which you won't be able to notice much, similar to what happened with the Galaxy S8 and S9 family. So we're gonna talk about that, but first, what is up with this color? It seems yellow, but it could be gold, like hard gold or dirt gold. Either way, it looks shiny and sexy. We haven't heard about this color in the leaks or rumors. We heard about the teddy brown color, which was rumored to happen, but seems like this is the one that Samsung is introducing with the Note 9. And it looks yellowish and goldish. I don't know. I'll let you guys decide in the comment section, but it definitely looks cool. And it seems to be the color that most people will go for. These are some amazing real-life renders of the Note 9 in this color, courtesy of phonearena.com. Now let's talk about the hands-on. First up, Eldar Murtazin talked about the design of the Note 9, and he's a famous camera brand who also make lenses and stuff. This new tech is reported to make low-light picture performance about 15% better. Samsung claims that it can now produce sensors that are 15% more sensitive to light while continuing to use pixels of up to 0.8 micrometers in size. So camera will be a little bit better in low light, but overall it's gonna be similar to the Galaxy S9 Plus, with a variable aperture and 960 frames per second slow motion video. Now he mentions that there are changes to the S Pen as well. It has Bluetooth and some software features that will appeal. That's why it is on the teaser. There's no design or any other tease, it's just the pen. With the new button that looks almost as big as their old Galaxy Home button, which confused a lot of people, and they started to think that Samsung might be bringing back the home button with the Note 9, but that's not happening because Infinity is here to stay and this button is from the S Pen. And also we have our first hands-on of the Note 9. Apparently a leakster that goes by the name of Eldar Murtazin is probably the first guy on this planet to have his hands on the Galaxy Note 9. Slightly increased display brightness. So the actual panel is the same with a little bit better brightness, and the colors would probably be the same as the Note 8. He also says that Galaxy Note 9 feels heavier than the Note 8, and that's because it has 4000 mAh battery. We've heard it in the leaks, and now the Eldar Murtazin confirms that it is having a 4000 mAh battery. It's surely confirmed that Note 9 is bringing the ultimate Samsung battery game back to the Note lineup. The button seems to be bigger than normal, and the pen has thicker build as well. Some say that it will have phone call ability. I can't imagine talking to a pen when I can just talk with my phone. It's not AirPod or anything. We can't put the pen in our ears. So it will be interesting to see what this pen has to offer with Bluetooth and all those new features. And according to Murtazin, it will have some business related features. And now time for some real talk. Eldar Murtazin has revealed that Samsung will be discontinuing the Galaxy Note 8. According to his sources, they have already informed their partners about it, and the Note 8s you see currently on the market are just the leftover stock, so they are planning to discontinue it. And it makes sense since the Note 9 is almost same as the Galaxy Note 8, so they don't want to cannibalize. If you are using a very old device such as a Galaxy S7 or S7 Edge or S6 or any other older phone or a mid-range phone and you haven't experienced the infinity display, and in that case I would say you can buy the Galaxy Note 9. It's still going to be a feature-packed phone, a monster phone with an amazing battery. Anyways, that was my thought on the Note 9's first hands-on experience. It's gonna get announced officially on August the 9th live in New York City. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.